Welcome to a new episode of Homey Decor. I'm Annie and today I'll show you the best tips to renovate your kitchen. For instance, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the ring bell so you don't miss any of my weekly videos, only here on YouTube. Tip number 1. Coffee bar. Replace certain doors and drawers with a unique space for a coffee station. Add shelves to give a very personal touch. This little corner will help you keep your coffee cups and glass jars organized. Place a plant or flowers to make it look prettier. Tip number 2. Accent space. We usually use the accent color to highlight some decor aspects. Use the rule of color proportions, 60, 30, and 10. 60% for the main color, 30 for the secondary color, and 10 for the accent color, to have the perfect balance. So cheer up and highlight your kitchen with color. Number 3. Use wallpapers. These are perfect for make a remarkable change. Wallpapers help you to add color and texture to a setting. I suggest mosaics and marble textures for an elegant kitchen. Tip number 4. Add nature. Plants will give life to your space. You can place them on shelves or at the top of the kitchen cabinets. Grow your own herbs. I suggest to make a nice hanging arrangement or a wooden shelf where you can place basil, parsley, thyme, among others. Tip number 5. Labeling jars. It's a good way to quickly identify your ingredients. And it will help you to organize your cupboards and cabinets. Tip number 6. Organizers. The boxes and metal baskets will help you keep your vegetables better organized. You can also display your vegetables with woven bags and baskets for a very natural look. Tip number 7. Blackboards. Design a very creative space with a blackboard inside the kitchen. It will be perfect for hanging containers and put notes. It will help to have your pending purchases and favorite recipes on hand. Tip number 8. Color blocks. Choose colored furniture to renovate your space. Select gray and blue to maintain brightness in your kitchen. Tip number 9. Shelves. I suggest to add them to the kitchen. Incorporate LED lights for a modern and sophisticated look. Tip number 10. Hanging hooks. You can use them to hang your bag, apron, or kitchen towels. Another option is to use little baskets to place cutlery or cooking shovels. Coming up next, in the next episode, you will learn how to decorate a contemporary living room. Only here in Homey Decor, your space, your home. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.